What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can see your archive post on Instagram. So let's start this video by launching the Instagram app. When the app is launched, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Then tap on the three bars on top right corner and you will see the archive option. It will usually land on the Stories archive. Now tap on the drop down arrow just beside Stories archive and then tap on Post archive. And you will see all of your archive posts here. Since I don't have any archive post, it is showing no archive post. From here you can share your post to your story. You can also share it to your friend's DM. You can also delete the archive post. And that is how you can see your archive posts on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.